Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, June 11th. Greetings from Rimini, Italy. Looking forward to participating tomorrow and the next day at the ITF. Also looking forward to seeing some of you as well. Well, let's talk about what's going on with these indices. The last candle you see represents Asia and Europe. I do look for follow through to the upside in the NASDAQ market, for example. A close above 7,600 would be expected for today's session. Let's move on though. Let's take a look at those currencies and let's see what we have there. The Swissy traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market, just to give you a reference, is $1,500 a contract. I do look for further movement to the downside. Japanese yen also traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change here, $1,125 a contract. Again, just to give you a reference for what that magnitude change represents. And I do look for a little bit of movement to the downside, but not a dramatic move for that market. I love the yield curve. I think it's behaving properly, but we need to see follow through to the downside here in those 10-year notes in today's session. Now, the precious metals have backed off a bit. You can see gold traded below its bearish level. Some of the fear has been taken out of the market, and this is what we see here is a reflection of that. The magnitude change there represents $450 a contract. I don't look for a dramatic move to the downside, but downward pressure should stay in place. Copper traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change here, $500 a contract. And again, I'm looking for follow through. But here's the challenge. We need China to really drive this market. And right now, I'm a little skeptical of us having enough fundamentals to drive it, to move it higher, is what I'm saying. I am bullish on this long term. If we take a look at crude oil, it traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change here in that market is $2,300 a contract. I am bearish. I'm neutral right now, but I do look for further movement to the downside. I think also in nat gas, it traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change here, $850 a contract. I think we have to be skeptical of a rally. If buyers are here, we need to see them in the next 2 days. Well, in the grains, let's take a look at what's going on there. Soybeans slowing down a bit. It's really not sure what to do. I look for a sideways move in that market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.